ولقد آتيناك سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the Essence of Tajweed. Last time we spoke about why Tajweed matters. Today, inshallah ta'ala, we answer this question. What does Tajweed actually mean? The word Tajweed linguistically means improvement, betterment, doing something well, and proficiency. So already before we get technical, Tajweed carries a beautiful meaning. It means you are trying to do the recitation well. But technically, Tajweed means something more precise. It means giving every letter its proper Makhraj and its proper Sifat. Makhraj, exit point, Sifat are the descriptions or the attributes or the characteristics of the letter. In simple English, every letter has a place it comes from, it originates from. Every letter has a way it should sound. Tajweed teaches you to give each letter what belongs to it, what is due to it. Let us make that very simple. When you say a letter in the Qur'an, two questions matter. Question number one, where does the letter come from? Where is the exit point that it originates from? Throat, tongue, lips, nose. That is the Makhraj, the exit point, origination point. Question number two, how should this letter sound? What is the proper pronunciation of this letter? Should it be clear, merged, concealed, heavy, light, stretched, bounced, nasalized? Those are part of the Sifat, the attributes. That is Tajweed. So Tajweed is not random decoration, something that is unnecessary, just there. It is actually disciplined pronunciation. It is precise recitation. It is giving the Qur'an its proper sounds. Giving the Qur'an its rights and dues of each letter that you pronounce from it. A very important idea in Tajweed is that each letter has its haqq and mustahaq. An easy way to understand those two things, haqq and mustahaq, basically, haqqul harf, the haqq of the harf, what belongs to the letter all the time, meaning it's a constant attribute that the letter has. Al-mustahaq, mustahaqul harf, is what applies to it in certain situations. For example, some rules happen because of what letters come before or after. So the letter is not always read in exactly the same way in every situation and every context. That is why Tajweed is both sound training and rule training. A practical mouth drill that we could do, let us do a simple one. Say these letters slowly. Mim, Qaf, Dal, Ta, Ba. Now say them again and feel the exit point, origination point. Ba from the lips. Ta, you feel the tongue. Dal from the tip of the tongue. Qaf from the back of the tongue. And Mim from your lips with nasal resonance. Did you feel that? Excellent. Now say this with me. Every letter has a makhraj, an exit or origination point. Every letter has Sifat, attributes, characteristics, and Tajweed teaches both. A common beginner mistake is to think that Tajweed is only for advanced reciters. No, Tajweed begins the moment you try to pronounce the Qur'an correctly. If you're learning how to say a letter from the right place, you're already entering Tajweed territory. Today's assignment: open the Mus'haf, read any short surah. Every time you pronounce a letter, ask yourself, did I say that from the right Makhraj, exit point? Do not try to fix everything today. Just begin noticing. That awareness is the beginning of mastery. In the next episode, we go deeper into one of the most important questions of all. What is the real goal of Tajweed? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
ولقد آتيناك سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم